Did you know that voice AI is evolving at an unprecedented speed? Imagine talking to your car, ordering food at a restaurant without touching a screen, or controlling your entire home with just your voice, without the frustrating errors of older voice assistants. Sounds futuristic, right? But what if I told you that this future is already here? And there's one company leading the charge, SoundHound AI. This company is revolutionizing the voice AI industry, and investors are starting to take notice. But here's the real question: is this stock a hidden gem that could skyrocket in value? Stick around, because what you're about to discover might just change how you see the future of technology and your investment strategy. SoundHound AI, the future of voice AI. SoundHound AI SOUN is not just another tech company, it's a game changer in artificial intelligence, specializing in advanced voice recognition. While traditional voice assistants like Siri and Alexa struggle with complex commands, SoundHound AI understands natural human speech more effectively. Big brands and businesses are already integrating SoundHound's technology into cars, restaurants, and smart devices. But the real question is, why does this matter for investors? Let's break it down. 1. The booming voice AI market. The voice AI industry is growing at an explosive rate. Think about how many people use voice assistants daily. But it's not just smartphones anymore. Cars, smart home devices, and even customer service industries are rapidly adopting AI-powered voice solutions. The global voice recognition market is expected to reach $50 billion by 2029. Companies worldwide are shifting towards AI-driven automation to cut costs and improve customer experiences. With more people relying on voice commands, SoundHound is positioned to dominate this space. Now, here's a question for you: how often do you use voice assistants in your daily life? Let me know in the comments. 2. Powerful partnerships with industry giants. One of the biggest reasons investors are excited about SoundHound AI is its strategic partnerships. The company is already working with major car manufacturers. Voice AI is becoming standard in modern vehicles. Restaurants and drive-thrus, fast food chains are using AI-powered voice assistants to take orders faster. Smart home technology. Companies like Samsung and other big names are investing in AI voice control. These collaborations mean long-term stability and continuous revenue growth. And when big corporations trust a company's technology, it's a strong signal for investors. But wait, do you think voice assistants will fully replace human customer service in the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. 3. AI-driven automation. The future of business. Businesses are desperate for automation. Why? Because AI saves them millions. Here's how SoundHound is making waves. Automated customer support. No more waiting on hold. AI voice bots handle queries instantly. Smart ordering in restaurants. Customers place orders without speaking to a human. AI-powered voice commands for cars. No more distractions, just speak, and your car listens. And guess what? SoundHound is constantly improving its AI, making it smarter and more human-like. This is why big corporations are investing millions into this technology. But is SoundHound AI SOUN a good investment? Let's be real, every investment comes with risks. But SoundHound AI has some strong advantages. First mover advantage in advanced voice AI. Growing partnerships with billion-dollar companies. Huge market potential in multiple industries. Now, here's something shocking. In the past year, SoundHound AI's stock has shown major growth spikes. But is this just the beginning? Final thoughts: should you invest? SoundHound AI is not just another tech company, it's shaping the future of how we interact with technology. If voice AI is the future, then this company is one of the best positioned to dominate. Now, I have two important questions for you. Do you think AI will fully replace human interactions in the future? Would you invest in SoundHound AI after learning about its potential? Drop your answers in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button, it really helps us out.